Viewers, now we are at the Telia Lake. It is located very close to Mohali Gate. It was built for irrigation purpose in the year 1983. It has now turned out to be a blessing for wildlife. The grassland around the lake supports a wide variety of life forms now. We can see a big herd of spotted deers grazing. It's a mixed group with a few stags and a number of females. We can see a few fawns amongst them. It appears a senior stag is training a young male in the art of combat, which will be useful to him in the years to come. We can see another group where a fawn is the center of attraction. It is being groomed, probably by its mother. And now we hear an alarm call, and the whole herd is alert. The fawn is being given protection by the rest of the herd. Yes, we can see a tiger approaching the water body. The deers were right, and they have vacated the area for good. By the stripe pattern, we can say for sure it is T24, the resident tigress, reigning this area. It is one of the four famous Thalia sisters. After quenching her thirst, she is moving towards the grassland. It appears she has had cubs. She has made a peculiar call called chuff, if you can hear. It is to call out the cubs. Talking about the life of a tigress, it revolves around the cubs all her life. The life of a mother tiger is the life of sacrifice. A female tigress remains with the mother till it matures, maybe 2.5 to 3 years. She has to establish a territory for herself. A weaker and older mother at times ends up sacrificing her territory for her offspring. A tigress normally gives birth to her first litter by the time she is 3.5 years old. The cubs remain with her for a maximum of 2.5 to 3 years, And this cycle of nursing cubs continues till they can hunt for themselves. She loves each of her litter as if it is her last. She raises them with so much care and dedication, and at times risks her life only to see them off at the end, each one going their way to explore and establish to survive in the wild, a lesson taught by their mother.
She's a tigress approximately about 9 years of age and was also a star tiger in the documentary The Sisters of Thalia. Today, she has decided to bring her cubs out. It is the first documentation of her cubs during the lockdown time. The cubs look young, probably about 2.5 to 3 months old. When the cubs are born, it takes about 5 to 7 days for them to open their eyes. Meanwhile, the mother takes extra care of the notorious cubs. They are overly cautious and secretive when caring for the young cubs. She will immediately move them if the area becomes disturbed or threatened. The tigress is solely responsible for the protection and care of young for the first few months of a cub's life. She leaves her young for only short periods of time to drink and hunt. Tigresses will spend nearly 70% of the time nursing their cubs for the first few days following birth. The amount of time spent nursing reduces to about 30% of their day by the time the cubs are a month old. Nursing tigresses must increase their nutritional intake by an estimated 50% to keep up their milk supply. The tigress stimulates the cub's circulation and bowel movements by spending large period of time licking them. They may also eat the cub's feces in order to protect them from potential predators detecting their scents. Tiger cubs begin consuming solid food when they are 6 to 8 weeks old. At 4 months of age, tiger cubs are about the size of a medium-sized dog and spend their day playing, pouncing, and wrestling with their siblings. Tiger cubs are weaned from their mothers by 6 months of age. However, they are still dependent on the prey their mothers procure for them. Although they are hunting on their own yet, cubs begin to explore and roam their surroundings more freely. Male tiger cubs weigh about 90 to 105 pounds by 6 months of age, and females are about 30 pounds lighter. Cubs will begin to follow their mothers out of the den around 2 months of age. However, they do not participate in the hunt at this point. They wait in a safe place for the mother to bring the food back to them. They begin to hunt with their mother and siblings between 8 and 10 months of age. The tigress is primarily concerned with teaching her young how to hunt and protect themselves. Tiger cubs spend the majority of their time playing with their siblings and their mother around 15 months of age. Playing helps the growing tiger cubs develop useful life skills such as stalking, pouncing, swatting, and climbing. The female has left the cubs in the grass and maybe is going for a hunt. The cubs will remain in the same place till the mother returns.